Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the smart battery camera with solar panel. You can get this product on Amazon for about $80. Check out the link in the description. The camera comes with a solar panel, 2 brackets, a USB charging cable, screws and user manual. The camera and solar panel are waterproof and dustproof. The user manual tells you how to set up the camera and the solar panel and how to connect the camera with your Wi-Fi network. The camera is actually the exact same camera I already reviewed a while ago. If you want to know more about the camera, please take a look at my other video, the link is in the description. The app shows you if the camera is charging and how much power the rechargeable battery has left. I tested the camera for a few days and it's much better with a solar panel than just with a rechargeable battery. Thanks to the solar panel, I don't have to worry about recharging anymore, and it doesn't matter how often the motion detection is triggered. So if you are looking for an outdoor solar security camera with motion detection, two-way audio and a rechargeable battery, I would recommend the smart battery camera with solar panel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.